Welcome back to TechEyeSpy, the channel where we decode complex technologies and investment opportunities for you. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting and groundbreaking companies in the world, NVIDIA. Known for revolutionizing AI and gaming, NVIDIA is now pushing the boundaries of quantum computing, a field that could redefine industries as we know them. In this episode, we'll conduct a detailed SWOT analysis of NVIDIA, exploring its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, with a special focus on its advancements in quantum computing. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about the future of computing, this is the deep dive you don't want to miss. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing, you'll stay ahead of the curve with our latest insights into technology and finance. Let's unlock the future together. NVIDIA stands at the forefront of technological innovation, wielding considerable strength in multiple domains, particularly in quantum computing and its intersections with high-performance computing. Its leadership in GPUs has long cemented its dominance in fields such as artificial intelligence, gaming, and data centers. But the company's recent forays into quantum computing demonstrate a strategic foresight that is reshaping the industry. Central to this strength is NVIDIA's ability to integrate quantum and classical computing, an approach that ensures quantum advancements are accessible and practical for real-world applications. The CUDA ecosystem is a cornerstone of NVIDIA's strength. By introducing CUDA-Q, NVIDIA is not merely entering the quantum computing space. It is defining how quantum and classical systems interact. This unified programming model allows developers to harness the power of GPUs, CPUs, and quantum processors seamlessly. For amateur investors, think of it as an operating system that ensures quantum computers can communicate effectively with traditional supercomputers. This compatibility accelerates adoption, as researchers and developers no longer need to overhaul their workflows but can instead integrate quantum capabilities incrementally. Another significant strength lies in the DGX Quantum System. This hybrid architecture, developed in collaboration with quantum machines, is a tangible demonstration of NVIDIA's ability to build partnerships that enhance its technological portfolio. By merging the Grace Hopper superchip with advanced quantum control systems, NVIDIA has created a platform that simplifies tasks like quantum error correction and hybrid algorithm development. This positions the company as a key enabler of quantum innovation, which is critical given that quantum computing's current limitations, such as error rates, require robust classical systems for support. Moreover, NVIDIA's leadership in hardware is complemented by its prowess in software development. The Quantum SDK, a suite of tools for simulating quantum circuits on GPUs, underscores this duality. By providing the means to simulate quantum systems on traditional hardware, NVIDIA is democratizing quantum research, allowing even resource-constrained institutions to contribute to advancements. This ability to scale innovation across both elite labs and emerging markets ensures NVIDIA remains indispensable across the spectrum of quantum development. From an economic perspective, NVIDIA's investments in quantum computing align with the broader trajectory of AI and machine learning. Quantum computing promises to address problems that are currently intractable for classical systems, such as complex optimizations in logistics, pharmaceuticals, and materials science. NVIDIA's leadership in AI, combined with its quantum initiatives, positions it as a company that doesn't merely follow technological trends, but actively shapes them. For investors, this strategic positioning minimizes risks associated with technological obsolescence. NVIDIA's reputation as a reliable, cutting-edge company also attracts top talent from around the globe. This intellectual capital is an invaluable resource in a field as complex and nascent as quantum computing. While quantum hardware may be the most visible aspect of this sector, it is the algorithms, error correction methods, and integration strategies that will determine long-term success. NVIDIA's ability to attract and retain experts in these areas ensures it remains a step ahead of competitors. In essence, NVIDIA's strengths lie in its ability to synergize its existing leadership in GPUs with the emerging opportunities in quantum computing. By providing tools that make quantum technology practical, scalable, and accessible, NVIDIA is not merely a participant in this space, but a foundational player. For investors, company's strengths offer a rare combination of visionary innovation and pragmatic implementation, setting the stage for sustained growth and influence. NVIDIA's position in quantum computing, while undeniably impressive, is not without its vulnerabilities. For all its strengths, the company faces challenges that could hinder its ambitions or expose it to risks that amateur investors should understand. These weaknesses primarily stem from the infancy of quantum computing, the complexity of hybrid systems, and the inherent limitations of NVIDIA's current ecosystem. First, quantum computing itself is in a nascent stage, and while NVIDIA has made significant strides in bridging quantum and classical systems, the practical applications of quantum technology remain speculative. This creates a fundamental weakness. The company's investments in this field may take years, if not decades, to yield meaningful returns. For an investor, this represents a significant risk. NVIDIA's reputation as a leader in immediate, high-growth technologies like GPUs may not fully translate to a sector where the timeline to maturity is uncertain. The heavy financial and resource commitment to quantum computing could strain the company if near-term breakthroughs fail to materialize. Another critical weakness lies in the hybrid nature of NVIDIA's quantum strategy. While the integration of quantum and classical systems is a strength, it also highlights a dependency on classical infrastructure. Quantum computers, in their ultimate form, aim to reduce the reliance on classical systems for certain tasks. Yet NVIDIA's current solutions, such as the DGX Quantum System, are fundamentally hybrid. This creates a potential mismatch between long-term industry goals and NVIDIA's current offerings. If quantum hardware evolves rapidly and becomes more self-sufficient, NVIDIA's classical integration strategies may face obsolescence or require significant re-engineering. Furthermore, NVIDIA's leadership in GPUs does not guarantee dominance in quantum hardware. Unlike the relatively consolidated GPU market, the quantum computing landscape is highly fragmented, with numerous startups and academic institutions pursuing radically different approaches. NVIDIA's role in this ecosystem, while influential, is not central to the development of quantum hardware itself. Competitors focusing solely on quantum technology, such as IBM and Google, may outpace NVIDIA in hardware-specific innovations. This lack of direct control over quantum hardware development could limit the company's ability to shape the future of the field. A related weakness is the dependency on partnerships to execute its quantum ambitions. Collaborations with companies like Quantum Machines are essential for NVIDIA's current hybrid systems, but they also highlight a reliance on external expertise. This dependency could become a liability if partners shift priorities, face their own financial constraints, or encounter technological roadblocks. While partnerships allow NVIDIA to enter the quantum space more rapidly, they also introduce risks that the company cannot fully control. The complexity of software ecosystems, such as CUDA-Q and Quantum, also presents challenges. While these tools are powerful, their effectiveness depends on adoption by developers, researchers, and institutions. If competing quantum programming frameworks gain more traction or are perceived as more user-friendly, NVIDIA's ecosystem could lose relevance. The company's success in GPUs was partially driven by its dominance in software tools, but replicating this success in a fragmented and rapidly evolving quantum space is far from guaranteed. Lastly, NVIDIA's quantum investments come with significant opportunity costs. As a company that has built its reputation on dominating high-growth markets, the resources allocated to quantum computing might detract from other areas, such as expanding its AI and data center businesses. While diversification is often a strength, it can also dilute focus. For NVIDIA, balancing its core strengths with its quantum ambitions will require careful strategic management. For amateur investors, these weaknesses serve as a reminder that NVIDIA's ventures into quantum computing, while exciting, come with considerable risks. The field is still in flux, and the company's hybrid strategies, while innovative, are not immune to disruption. Understanding these vulnerabilities is crucial for evaluating NVIDIA's long-term potential in this emerging sector. NVIDIA's involvement in quantum computing opens a host of significant opportunities, many of which could redefine its role in the technology landscape and bolster its already dominant position in computing. These opportunities arise from its ability to pioneer hybrid computing systems, expand its influence across industries, and establish itself as a key enabler of quantum advancements. One of the most compelling opportunities for NVIDIA is its ability to shape the hybrid quantum classical computing model. As quantum computing matures, it will not replace classical computing entirely, but will coexist and complement it, addressing problems that are otherwise intractable. NVIDIA's CUDA-Q platform and DGX Quantum Systems position the company as the linchpin in this transition. By creating infrastructure that allows seamless integration of quantum and classical systems, NVIDIA can capture an entirely new market of enterprises, researchers, and institutions looking to leverage quantum computing without abandoning their existing classical setups. This hybrid model is likely to remain the dominant paradigm for years, offering NVIDIA a sustained competitive advantage. Another opportunity lies in quantum algorithm development. While much attention in quantum computing is focused on hardware, the real breakthroughs will come from software and algorithms that can effectively utilize quantum capabilities. NVIDIA, with its history of pioneering GPU-accelerated algorithms for AI and machine learning, is uniquely positioned to lead in this space. Its QQuantum SDK, which accelerates quantum circuit simulations, provides a foundational tool for algorithm developers. As industries like pharmaceuticals, finance, and logistics begin adopting quantum solutions, NVIDIA could emerge as a key provider of the tools and platforms necessary to develop and deploy these algorithms. The growing interest in quantum computing across industries presents another significant opportunity. Fields like cryptography, drug discovery, material science, and optimization are poised to benefit from quantum advancements. NVIDIA's hybrid solutions and simulation tools make it easier for organizations to explore these applications today, even as fully functional quantum hardware remains years away. By fostering adoption across diverse sectors, NVIDIA can establish itself as a trusted partner in quantum innovation, creating long-term customer relationships and recurring revenue streams. NVIDIA's collaborations with national supercomputing centers and quantum research institutions further amplify its opportunities. These partnerships not only validate the company's quantum initiatives, but also provide access to cutting-edge research and potential breakthroughs. For instance, by integrating CUDA-Q into supercomputing systems worldwide, NVIDIA is embedding itself into the infrastructure of quantum research. This ensures that as quantum computing evolves, NVIDIA's platforms will be deeply entrenched in the workflows of leading researchers, creating a natural demand for its solutions. Additionally, NVIDIA's quantum initiatives align closely with its leadership in artificial intelligence and machine learning. The intersection of AI and quantum computing is a nascent but highly promising field. Quantum-enhanced AI algorithms could revolutionize data analysis, optimization, and decision-making processes. By positioning itself at this intersection, NVIDIA can leverage its existing AI expertise to drive quantum innovation.
This not only reinforces its dominance in AI, but also accelerates the commercialization of quantum technologies, offering a faster return on investment. Emerging markets and regions investing in quantum technology also present significant opportunities for NVIDIA. Countries like China, Germany, and Canada are pouring resources into quantum research, creating a global demand for hybrid systems and development tools. NVIDIA's scalable solutions, such as the Q-Quantum SDK, make it an ideal partner for these initiatives. Expanding into these markets not only diversifies NVIDIA's revenue streams, but also strengthens its global footprint in quantum computing. Lastly, the educational and training aspect of quantum computing offers an untapped opportunity. As the field grows, there will be a surge in demand for training programs, simulation tools, and accessible platforms for students and researchers to learn and experiment with quantum systems. NVIDIA, with its developer-friendly ecosystem and history of supporting academic institutions, can play a pivotal role in shaping the next generation of quantum scientists and engineers. By doing so, it secures its position as a foundational player in the quantum computing ecosystem. For investors, these opportunities suggest that NVIDIA is not merely participating in the quantum computing revolution, it is helping to define it. By leveraging its strengths and addressing its weaknesses, the company is poised to capitalize on the immense potential of quantum computing, ensuring its relevance and growth in the decades to come.
Despite NVIDIA's commanding position and strategic advancements in quantum computing, the company faces significant threats that could undermine its efforts or slow its progress in this nascent but fiercely competitive domain. These threats range from technological uncertainty and market competition to geopolitical risks and broader industry challenges. A primary threat stems from the unpredictable pace of quantum computing development. While NVIDIA's hybrid systems provide a bridge between classical and quantum systems, the timeline for achieving commercially viable quantum computing remains uncertain. Significant technical hurdles, such as quantum error correction and the scalability of qubits, persist. If the progress in quantum hardware or algorithm stalls, NVIDIA's investments in this space may fail to deliver expected returns. This uncertainty could also lead to investor skepticism, especially given the significant resources being allocated to a field with an undefined commercial horizon. The rapidly evolving competitive landscape is another major threat. While NVIDIA excels in classical computing and hybrid systems, it faces formidable competitors in quantum-specific domains. Companies like IBM, Google, and Rigetti, as well as numerous startups, are focusing exclusively on developing quantum hardware and software. These competitors often have specialized expertise and resources dedicated solely to quantum computing, which could allow them to outpace NVIDIA in key areas. For example, IBM's quantum systems and Google's quantum supremacy achievements place them at the forefront of hardware innovation. If these companies achieve breakthroughs that leapfrog NVIDIA's hybrid strategies, the latter could struggle to maintain relevance. Geopolitical risks further exacerbate the competitive threat. Quantum computing is a highly strategic technology, with governments worldwide prioritizing its development for national security, economic competitiveness, and scientific advancement. NVIDIA's reliance on global supply chains and its partnerships with international research institutions could become vulnerabilities in the face of geopolitical tensions, trade restrictions, or export controls. For instance, any restrictions on the export of advanced computing hardware to certain regions could limit NVIDIA's ability to collaborate or sell its systems, particularly in markets like China, which is heavily investing in quantum research. Moreover, the fragmented and experimental nature of the quantum ecosystem poses a threat to NVIDIA's dominance. Unlike GPUs, which have become standardized in computing, quantum hardware and software are still highly diverse and experimental. Competing quantum platforms may adopt fundamentally different architectures that do not align with NVIDIA's hybrid strategies. If alternative frameworks or technologies gain widespread adoption, NVIDIA's CUDA-Q platform and associated tools could become marginalized. This lack of standardization in the quantum space creates a risk of misaligned investments, where NVIDIA's solutions may not match the eventual direction of the industry. Another significant threat is the high cost and complexity of integrating quantum systems into existing infrastructures. While NVIDIA's hybrid solutions aim to simplify this process, enterprises may still face challenges in justifying the investment. If businesses and institutions are slow to adopt quantum technologies due to cost, complexity, or unclear ROI, NVIDIA's quantum initiatives may struggle to achieve widespread traction. This hesitancy could delay the commercial viability of quantum solutions, reducing NVIDIA's ability to capitalize on its early investments. The dependency on partnerships for quantum advancements also presents risks. While collaborations with companies like Quantum Machines are a strategic advantage, they also expose NVIDIA to vulnerabilities outside its control. If a partner's technology fails to meet expectations, experiences delays, or is surpassed by competitors, NVIDIA's own initiatives could suffer. This reliance on external innovation, while necessary to some extent, adds an element of unpredictability to NVIDIA's quantum strategy. Lastly, the broader macroeconomic environment poses a threat to NVIDIA's ambitions. The high research and development costs associated with quantum computing are substantial, and economic downturns or shifts in market conditions could pressure the company to scale back its investments. Additionally, as NVIDIA allocates resources to quantum initiatives, it risks diverting attention and funding away from its core businesses, such as GPUs for gaming and AI, which remain its primary revenue drivers. Balancing these priorities will be critical, but missteps could weaken its overall market position. For investors, these threats highlight the challenges NVIDIA faces in navigating a complex, competitive, and uncertain landscape. While the potential rewards in quantum computing are immense, the risks are equally significant, underscoring the importance of careful strategic execution and adaptability in this rapidly evolving field. As we've explored in this episode, NVIDIA stands as a trailblazer in the ever-evolving world of technology. From its dominance in GPUs to its ambitious strides in quantum computing, its strengths are undeniable: leading-edge innovation, a robust ecosystem, and strategic positioning at the intersection of classical and quantum computing. Yet, no company is without challenges, and NVIDIA's journey into quantum technologies is marked by uncertainty, competition, and geopolitical risks. The opportunities, however, are extraordinary. NVIDIA is not just participating in the quantum revolution, it's helping to shape it. But the threats, especially in such a speculative and nascent field, mean this isn't a risk-free proposition. As an investor, the key question is whether you believe NVIDIA's innovation engine can continue to deliver long-term growth. And that brings us to the final question. Is NVIDIA worth investing in, especially at its current share price, with its valuation often reflecting high market expectations? Potential investors must weigh the promise of quantum breakthroughs against the company's existing performance and the risks ahead. Will NVIDIA's quantum ambitions propel it to new heights, or will the challenges of this emerging field slow its trajectory? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Let us know in the comments below. Is NVIDIA a buy, hold, or avoid for you right now? And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more in-depth analyses like this one. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay curious and stay informed.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you enjoyed my content, please support this channel by visiting buymeacoffee/Whitley or scan the QR code to leave a tip.